Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I have another video for you guys today on the heat press tool applications. Now, here's another little bundle that was sent out to me to take a look at. Now, these are things that I use with all of my heat presses, different types of thermal tape, as well as different type of braces for different things that I'm using or applying heat to. That could be things like water bottles, or coffee mugs, or things that are round, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this over to the desk and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what comes in the box. All right, guys, let's get to it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it. So what do we have here? We have a scraper. This has the little padding on the back of it, and that's so that it can fit inside of this. If you wanted to place this inside like so for storage, it just pops in just like that. Really nice design. I like that. So you get three different widths of the thermal tape, as you guys can see here. Now, these are going to vary, but it really just depends on, exactly what you're going to be using them for. As I measure these just for accuracy, this one here is 20 millimeters, and this one is 30 millimeters. And the smaller one here is 9 millimeters. So you get a good variety there. And then, of course, you also receive this little brace. And what this is going to be used for, guys, when you are doing your tumblers and you need to, make sure that whatever it is that you're putting on here is going to be on properly. Now, this is at an angle. So this is going to be more of a flat surface, where this one at this direction is going to be more sloped. Okay, so let me turn that to the side so you guys can see that a little bit better. So you're going to have a sloped angle, and you're going to also have a flat angle with this. Okay, so it just really depends on what you're creating, but you have a lot of different tools here that are definitely going to be helpful in your workflow. So especially with these heat tapes, because if you're doing any type of heat press applications, most of the time, you're going to need something to be able to hold your designs down on your material so it doesn't move. This little applicator here is going to really come in handy. So hopefully this video has been helpful as well. I love being able to show you guys a lot of the things that I use in my everyday workflow, and hopefully I'm inspiring you guys to get started, to just get out there and start creating. So if you're on the fence about a lot of these products, guys, feel free, to reference these videos, because I use these things on a regular basis. Now, true, a lot of these things were sent out to me to review, but I have been using similar products for years, and I can tell you these things really, really come in handy. All right, guys, been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.